Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Today, Sir Ahmad want to teach you the sound of the alphabet. Do you know the alphabet contains vowel letter and consonant letter? Let's learn together. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, duck. E, elephant. F, fish. G, gorilla. H, hat. I, igloo. J, juice. K, kangaroo. L, lion. M, monkey. N, no. O, octopus. P, pin. Q, queen. R, ring. S, sun. T, train. U, umbrella. V, van. W, watch. X, X-ray. Y, yacht. Z, zoo. Congrats kids! We have learned all the alphabets, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So, the vowel letter is A, E, I, O, and U. The others is consonants letter. So, for the exercise today, you have to color the consonants letter in Module Bahasa Inggeris Prasekolah, page 2. That's all for today. Thank you.